Hello, my name is Archit Biswas, student ID 24361821, and this is my implementation of the real-time rendering final project on Latent 3D Gaussian Diffusion. Currently, the program is running and it is installing all the necessary and required libraries for the program. Uh, this is the code for the synthetic 3D data generation. This program uses synthetic 3D dataset to train the model and generate a sample output to implement the concepts of the research paper. This was done to minimize the program runtime and also to avoid bottleneck of resources. This class here are the classes that define the various components of the vector quantized variational autoencoder model. First, we have the class for the encoder part of the VQVAE. Then we have the vector quantizer class and the decoder class for the VQVAE. Currently, uh, currently the program is training the VQVAE model. Also, this is the code for the full VQVAE model, and here is the training code for the VQVAE model. All Both the models are running on 20 EPOs, and here is the loss per EPO of the models. Following the VQVAE model, we have the diffusion model. Currently, the program is running the diffusion model. Uh, we have the latent diffusion class here, which is a part of the diffusion model. And then we have the code for training the diffusion models and all the required functions for it. This function adds noise to the synthetic data. Then it trains the diffusion model based on the trained diffusion model, based on the diffusion model, and then we run the diffusion model through this code. Here are the diffusion model EPOs, again 20 EPOs. Now finally, we have the code for rendering the point cloud and training and rendering the point cloud data for the synthetic data 3D dataset that we provided earlier. This code renders the point cloud for the output, which is a 3D plot generated using the Plotly library. Here all the data is being sampled and rendered for the demo, and this is the final output. Uh, a CPU has been used for working on the model training and running the entire program. This output logs each and every details related to the model, and this is the final point cloud, which is the required output for the program. Uh, this output represents that this output represents the point cloud of a sphere or a random blob object that it has learned from the 3D dataset. The 3D dataset has 1,000 random points, each consisting of 1,024 uh, points, 3D data points. And based on that data, it has concluded that the model could have been a sphere or a blob. And that is the whole implementation of the research paper, Latent 3D Gaussian diffusion.